Okay, here we go. That's what I have now. So the frame's pretty much done. I just need to put it down to between here to there. I think that's it. I've built race cars. I grew up building race cars, which turned into building hot rods, which turned into building rat rods, which, well, now I just don't have the room. I don't have a, I grew up having a shop and whatnot with my dad, and he's no longer here, unfortunately, and I don't have a shop anymore. I have a garage, which is great, but I just don't have the room to build a hot rod or a rat rod right now. That's pretty costly, but this is pretty cheap. And if I could build a car, if I can build a hot rod, I can build a bike. So I figured my kids would enjoy this. It's kind of a glorified mini bike. It's a 160cc Honda. Should move along pretty good. All right, let me go around the other side. So I'm going to run a CVT on this, and I'm basically building this out of just parts that I have laying around. So I don't have much money in this. This is a mountain bike that my kids didn't ride anymore, and it just kept breaking, so I figured, well, let's use the parts. So here's the neck and the forks off it, handlebars. I used these little parts off the back. This is the main sprocket off the crank, which I modified to the rear. This is a motor that I found in my dad's storage after he, of course, I inherited this huge storage unit with all my dad's stuff, and this is one of the things I found. It's a brand new motor. So who knows what he was going to use it for, but I'm using it now. I also found the CVT for a motor like this. So he was going to do something, I just don't know what. So that's what I'm going to use on it. So that should work pretty good. I love the CVTs because you can just put the power to it and go. So when I was a kid growing up, I had go-karts with centrifugal clutches, and you always stalled them out. I had a lot of problems with them. So, but this is what I got. This should be pretty cool. I've got an old school tractor seat to put on it, so I think that'll look pretty, to me that'll look pretty cool. So, and yeah. But this is why I'm building it. So this is how it's kind of coming out. This is my vision. People don't like it, well, fuck off. I don't care if you like it or not. This is what I like. This is how I'm building it. Right or wrong, this is how I'm doing it. And I like it. I'm sure my kids are going to enjoy the shit out of it. So I don't really care about riding it. I just like building. And building is just what I gotta do right now. So, once I make some more headway on it, I'll make another video. And, yeah. Let me know what you think. Good, bad, or otherwise. Alright. Well, let me go to the other side. One more last shot. Here's my press. That comes in handy. Alright. So, I think it looks pretty cool. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Alright. Let you know when I make more headway on it.